In this video today, I want to show you how to make money online with this Bitcoin mining website that will generate you thousands of dollars online. Just like this over and over again, you could make anything up to $5,000 plus. Also, I'm going to have a Bitcoin giveaway. It doesn't matter where you are around the world, this will work for you and you don't need any experience to get started. If you want to make your first money online and start generating money over and over again, keep watching. Quick disclaimer, this channel doesn't promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Please do your own research before investing any Bitcoins. I am not an investment advisor. Use your Bitcoin investments wisely. And please understand, I am not giving any guarantees in this video. I am just showing you my personal results I was able to generate Bitcoins with this mining website. Make sure to stick to the end of this video to find out how to get free Bitcoin. Okay, let's start with step number 1, since this tutorial is going to be divided into actionable steps, which you can easily follow. To set up this income stream properly, and if you want to make this happen, and if you want to work it for you, I urge you to just follow each and every step and take action. Don't just watch the video, because that way it will not work for you. If you just watch it and don't take action, and you won't make any money at all, but if you complete each step, then that will make a difference. Anyways, let's start with the first step, which is logging into this Bitcoin mining website. But before that, we need a crypto key. This key is needed for you to be able to mine on this website. Yesterday, I just got my monthly crypto key and I will use it today to show you how it works. By the way, before we continue, here's the bonus step on how to make free Bitcoins. You can use the affiliate program to earn free Bitcoins. You'll just need your Bitcoin wallet address and add your custom referral link. Then you can shorten the link using any service to make it more clickable. You can earn up to 70% of the deposit of each client that comes through your link. Share your referral link to earn free Bitcoins. For the step number 2, you can choose any crypto key you prefer so you can log in and mine Bitcoins right away. Okay, now let's continue. I will log into my account and try to mine Bitcoins with my current crypto key. Step 3. After logging in, you can enter your receiving address. You can use any Bitcoin wallet for this, but for me, I will use my blockchain wallet to receive the Bitcoins. Alright. For the step number 4, setting your receiving address, the mining process will start immediately. This could take a while. Okay, I'll fast forward the mining process. For some of you wondering, what is Bitcoin app? It is a tool that mines Bitcoins through the blockchain network and Bitcoin mining pools. The best thing about this app is you can mine on your mobile devices. It is fully supported and hassle-free, unlike the traditional mining process, which requires powerful and power-consuming hardware to operate. Also, if you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe to my channel. The mining process was completed. It says I mined 1.28 BTC and it was instantly sent to my blockchain account. Let's check my blockchain wallet if the withdrawn Bitcoins arrived. Alright, the Bitcoins has arrived and it's really fast. There you have it. I received 1.28 BTC to my blockchain wallet right away with these simple steps. Let me refresh my wallet. You can now start mining and earn Bitcoins today and earn money online. So, that's my video for today, guys. In an awesome way to start making money online. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. For Bitcoin giveaway of 1 BTC will be given this week. To join, you could share this video and paste the link of sharing with your wallet address and I will randomly choose the 2 winners. Stay tuned for more money tips. See you in the next video.